Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see the dogs, my dogs, let's go. Hello. This is Aurora. Aurora, say hi. Lola, hi. Hi. This is Choco. Lola boops her nose. And she licks the camera. So this is TikTok / Choco. That's her name. And she's really chill. She's 11 years old. And Aurora is still really young.
She's a puppy though.
Come here, pups. So she can be a rascal sometimes, but she can also be a cutie sometimes.
Many sandals.
She broke 2 of the sandals. And this is Mr. Ball. She broke Teddy and yeah. Lola, come on, give it back. And she doesn't want to give back sometimes. Lola! I call her Lola because that's like a nickname and stuff. She never plays with this, so I use this to smack ants if they're on her food bowl. She has a blue one too, but yeah, I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. So here, like, we have like a little tub. And there's like water inside it because I put it inside, so yeah. Wanna hear some music? Wind chime. So yeah, my garden. So anyways, that is it for today. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Well, Aurora says bye too. Bye guys. Bye. Choco, say bye. Choco. Bye. So yeah, bye guys.